This video will show you how to add new steps and new routines into phone dancing into the app. You need to download the PC executable file onto your computer, and first of all select the dance that you want to add new steps to, and then we've got a couple of extra buttons and we go to the create new steps. I'll just pull this down so you can see it. First thing you do, we've got a complete new step from blank, but we can select any other steps that we want to perhaps modify. So we've got all the steps that are available in the dance in the program. If we pick a nice simple one, we'll see there's 3 steps, 1 to 3, but actually we want to start at 0. 0 sets the default. You can put the name of the step in here. Add the time. This is in milliseconds for each step, so you can do part steps if you want to. Leave that one empty, it populates itself. Also on 0 you can set the starting point, so underneath the foot we move the feet with the right mouse button, and we can just enter data. If we click on with the left mouse button, it puts their information here, so you can actually change the data there and they move. That's quite a nice way to move them around. But on 0, again we're on 0, so we can now move the double feet one. This is the starting position. So if you want the feet to start there, then put them there. If you want to start over here, put them here. Okay, we'll leave it about there and we'll bring that back to start. So as I say, 0 is where the last foot finishes. 1 is where you move to in this step, in the first step. As we say here, we've got also, as well as the position we can change, you can change whether you want it on the flat heel or kicking in the air on the heel. So changes shadows, changes the foot shape, and also the angle. If we want to put in 12 degrees, you can see the degrees here. You can roll it round like that. So that's the way to set the foot in each new position, and then as we go back we'll see it changes in the 2 positions. You've got to regularly keep pressing refresh, because what actually happens is these positional changes are only 1 step from the last, so they will be cumulative and add up as you go through the dance. Another thing to see here is if you've got a YouTube video or a picture, add it here and that will show more detail if people click on the question mark. And also you can give individual instructions for each step or part way through a step, which you can add here. That's it. Then at the end of it, change the name. Always remember to change the name and press save, and you've added a new step. So it's that easy. Something else worth noting is if you move the mouse over the letter, you get some text appears just here, and that shows you the actual screen position, which is quite useful for adding movements and displacements in. That's that. If we go back now, we've got a create new dance button. So this is actually what appears in the app. You'd get just this top part, but once you know what all the steps are, you can actually just give a name of add the names of steps and the lists of one after another, and that will create a custom dance. Won't save it at the moment, but you can add your own dances there by cutting and pasting. In this version, in this version as well, you get, so you can see here, these are all the dances that were in the original drop-down lists. Gives you all the steps within each of those dances. If you want to create a new one, you obviously have to change the name here to whatever you want to call the new dance and save it, but then you can just add insert step there, select the step you'd like, insert it or delete one and save it, and that's a new dance routine made up. As simple as that, really. At the moment can't save these and use these in the app, but that will be added. So if someone's interested in creating new dances, let us know and we'll give you the software and the instructions for how to do it. Okay.